Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to solve this exponential equation. I have two methods to solve it. At the end of the day, we choose the one that is best for us. Solution: 4 raised to the power of x plus 2 equal to 8. First, we change both sides to base 2. If we change to base 2, we have 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 4, into x plus 2 equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. When you times 2 3 times gives you 8. Then we compare both sides, which is 2 into x plus 2 equals to 3. Now we open the bracket. If we open the bracket, we have 2x plus 4 equal to 3. Next step, we collect the like terms, meaning number to one side. If we collect the like terms, we have 2x equal to 3 minus 4. When plus 4 crosses sign of equality, it becomes minus. We have 2x equal to minus 1. Now we divide both sides by the quotient of x, which is 2. When we divide both sides by 2, we have 2x all over 2 equals to minus 1 all over 2. 2 cancelled to left with x equals to minus 1 all over 2 as the answer. Now let's use another method to solve this. We have 4 raised to the power of x plus 2 equal to 8. Using another method, we say solution: 4 raised to the power of x plus 2 equal to 8. In law of indices, whenever we have a raised to the power of m plus n is the same thing as a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. If this is true, the expression above will become 4 raised to the power of x times 4 raised to the power of 2 equal to 8, which is equals to 4 raised to the power of x times 16 equal to 8. 4 raised to the power of x times 16 gives us 16 into 4 raised to the power of x equal to 8. Now we divide both sides by the quotient of 4 raised to the power of x, which is equals to 16 into 4 raised to the power of x equal to 8 all over 16 all over 16. 16 will cancel 16, left with 4 raised to the power of x equal to 1 over 2. Now we have this, we change everything to base 2. 4 we change to 2 raised to the power of 2x equal to 1 over 2. In law of indices, we can change fraction to power. Whenever we have 1 over n can be changed to n raised to the power of minus 1. If this is true, we can apply it here. Then we have 2 raised to the power of 2x equal to 2 raised to the power of minus 1. Now we compare both sides. Base 2 we cancel base 2, left with 2x equals to minus 1. Next step, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. We have 2x all over 2 equals to minus 1 all over 2. 2 we cancel to left with x equals to minus 1 over 2 as the answer. Now let's check if our answer is correct. We write check and write down the original equation, which is 4 raised to the power of x plus 2 equals to 8. We have 4 raised to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus 2 equal to 8. This will give us 4 raised to the power of 2 minus half will give us 1 and half equal to 8. Now 1 and half is mixed number. We can change it to improper fraction. This will change to 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2. Meaning 2 times 1 gives us 1 plus 1 gives us 3 over 2 equals to 8. Then we continue. We can change both sides to base 2. We have 2 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 3 over 2 equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. Now 2 can cancel to left with 2 raised to the power of 3 equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. The left hand side is equals to the right hand side, meaning our answer is correct. If this helped, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.